Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am making my crunchy oat brownies. These are a really delicious fudgy brownie with a crunchy maple oat topping. I hope if you enjoy this video that you will hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I have here 125 grams of dark chocolate, 70% dark chocolate, really good quality dark chocolate, because you'll never get the depth of flavour that's needed for a brownie with milk chocolate. And I also have 80 grams of butter that I just melted together in the microwave and let cool slightly. And to this I want to add 60 mils of vegetable oil. Any flavourless oil will do. 100 grams of caster sugar for sweetness. After all, that chocolate isn't very sweet. And then for fudginess, I want the equivalent of dark brown, soft dark brown sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, and maybe a little splash more. And 2 eggs. And just give these a good whisk together. No need for any heavy machinery, but I want it whisked together until it almost has like ribbons of chocolate. It doesn't take long. Now onto our dry ingredients. 100 grams of plain flour, not an awful lot for all this chocolate, but I don't want a lot because I want a really fudgy brownie, not a cakey one. 20 grams of cocoa powder just to add to that chocolatiness. And a teaspoon of fine salt. Little salt with sweet is just great. I just want to switch from a whisk to a spatula and just fold the flour through. You don't want to over mix at this stage. Tastes great already. Now I have 100 grams of chocolate chips. Use any chocolate chips you like. You can use milk, you can use white, you can use dark, whatever you prefer, and just rattle them in. And final fold through. That's it. I have an 8x8 inch tin here. I've just greased and lined with some parchment paper just to make it easy to get the brownies out. Just smooth that out in the tin. So at this stage you can bake as is, but I did promise you a crunchy maple oat brownie, and that's exactly what you're going to get. So I have 50 grams of jumbo porridge oats here. It really is best to use jumbo. To this I want to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And I want 60 mils of maple syrup. It's a bit like making granola to go on top of the brownies. And with that delicious amber liquid, just give them a quick stir together. as I'm sure you're all aware, I love salty and sweet, so I'm going to add some sea salt flakes to this as well, just for that extra saltiness. And then we just want to sprinkle over the brownie. This is ready now for the oven. This just takes between 26 and 29 minutes in a 170 degree oven. That would be a 150 degree fan. I find for mine 27 minutes is perfect, but start checking at that 26-minute mark. And if you like your brownie well done, take it right to the 29. And that is my crunchy maple oat brownie. Very easy and very delicious. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And as always, you'll find a link in the description box below to the full written recipe. And until next time, have a good one.